are playing Star Meow. If you didn't catch the other part of the video, because I may have forgot to hit record, we got 1,000. We are trying to get another 1,000. Oh.
That sounded way better. Ah.
I still missed it. These are like eight credits per.
It's okay.
Hold on, I'm not swiped.
Big bundle is coming.
Okay, we're ready.
Go, 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 go.
Oh!
Ready, set, go.
Woo, 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 woo.
One's coming. Ready, set, go.
Oh, too early. We're looping.
Okay, it's coming. Ready, set, go.
Oh, that 250 got in the way. Well, I got 100. It's hitting that 250.
Yeah, the 250.
Ready?
This one's wide in the open. Ready,
Yeah.
march, set, go. Oh, so close.
Dang it.
Okay, this is like a $6 claw machine, but it is 10,000 tickets, so I'm gonna go for that bag right there. I don't know if it's possible, but if it lifts it up even a little bit, that blue one in front of it sloped, so I'm thinking maybe in a few plays I can get this one. Wow, not a lot of time. Okay. Oh, I guess I still have time. My biggest concern is I don't want that claw poking this bag. Okay, apparently it just isn't gonna work.
I think I was way early. I was, but I got a 250. Alright, see if I can figure out where he was timing at here. Still way early. Oh, it wasn't. I got it.
Found her.
Since you left, I've played twice and I got a 250 and 1,000.
What? I'm sorry for existing over here. Oh, there it is. 1,000. Ready, set, go.
Well, I went too early because I don't know what I was doing. Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Come on! No!
Okay. Big pile, big pile. Ready, march, set, go.
Come on! All those thousands. No!
They all just passed.
We're trying to get Addie a Mulan Barbie here, huh, right?
That was way late.
I was way late, sorry. I was talking. Oof. Mulan Barbie? Is 3,700 tickets we decided.
Right.
So we should have probably about that.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, too early. By a hair.
Okay, we've got 2 plays over here at the Big Choice Big Claw machine because that last claw didn't work, so she just is giving me 2 plays for free over here. So I'm gonna go for the gold and try for this 5,000 ticket ring. Oh, well, I got a complimentary 150. I guess I'll go for right there. That one right there is a 1,500. I'll go for that one next. Because that 5,000 did not do much for me. That's got a chance. Nope.
And go. Woo-hoo! I figured if you missed one, you
The dynamic duo.
And here comes a whole bunch. Ready, go. Woo! That was a lot. Go. No! Our dynamic duos come to fail.
Gotta end on 1,000 win, and then we can probably do
there's
that.
3 right here, so and go. No!
Because there's a spin on the edge, and the bonus, if I can get it, is 3,550, and it's only like 1,300 on the others. I just don't remember where to press it up top is the problem. We've only played this game like twice in our life. At the Orlando Dave & Buster's.
Spin gives you that spin. Is that where it is? I couldn't remember.
Yeah. Okay, well that was not enough. Okay, so I'm basically gonna have 1 shot at this, and I don't remember where to press it.
Oh, there is the spin.
All right. Oh, wow.
Not even
it
close.
Stops right on time.
Only got 30. And go. Too late.
That was on me.
Because you paused. And go. Oh!
Running out of points here.
And go. No! I thought both of those were going to go in.
We had a good run there, babe.
And go. There we go.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see what we won in this video.
They're all in the bag. She's going away. We got
1 at a time.
1,000. I don't know what that was.
1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 3,000, 3,250, 4,250, 5,250, 6,250, 6,350, 6,600.
Woo!
Wow.
We could get 2 Barbies. That was a good little run there at the Star Meow.
For our 6,800 tickets, give or take, we got this surprise bubble popper. Addie likes bubble poppers, so we went with that. We also got her this chunky puzzle. Thought this was cute. She's probably a little too young for it now, but she does like puzzles. Oh, and it's alphabeted. Oh, spoilers! There's the Barbie. For all of our extras that we had left, they had stickers for 10 points each, and that kid is really into stickers right now. They go everywhere. So we got her, I think, 25 sets of stickers. And then the main prize, which I've already spoiled, was our Mulan Barbie. Super cute.
If that's more for her or for me.
Yeah, Kaylee's a huge Mulan person. Like Mulan has always been her absolute favorite. So when Addie outgrows this, that'll go in Kaylee's toy chest. Well, thank you so much for joining us for a brand new arcade game. For us at least. I'm pretty sure that game's not new at all. It was a lot of fun, definitely unique, and we appreciate you joining, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye!